Hello everyone, welcome to European Study Hub. As in the IELTS world, many of the changes have been taking place in the recent months. So from the mid of 2026, there will be IELTS test which will be conducted on computer only. There will be no pen and paper based IELTS test. So now the question is, which test is easier? IELTS on paper or IELTS on computer? Well, the honest answer is neither. No test is easier because both having the same challenges, same quality, same security, same validity, same recognition, and of course, the same level of challenges as well. So now today in this video, I'll be elaborating all the modules one by one, what changes you will see from the mid of 2026. Let's start with the listening and reading. Both sections will be entirely covered on the computer by using the digital screen. You will be directly transferring your answers on the computer. So you need not to transfer your answers like as you were doing in the previous structure, like on the pen and paper based. So here you have to write down your answers directly on the computer. And one more thing, there will not be any extra time in listening answers. You won't be able to check your spellings at the last. So be very careful about this test. So I recommend you to go for mock test, computerized mock tests before sitting into the exam. So this will definitely help you. Now let's move to the writing. Yeah, writing also will be changed. That will be on computer. However, there will be fewer locations, some selected locations where you can take the pen and paper based writing as well. Yes, in certain locations, it may be introduced that they will provide you the option of pen and paper based writing. In speaking, the speaking test will remain same. There will be no changes. Your speaking will be conducted by the certified speaking examiner. Yes, either can be a face-to-face conversation or it can be conducted by using the video conferencing mode. So do prepare yourself for computerized structure now because from 27th of June, you won't be able to sit in the pen and paper based IELTS test. Next, one skill retake, OSR. That also will be remained same. There will be no changes in the one skill retake. As if you are not satisfied with your writing module, you can go for writing retake. But do remember, you should have to use the same method which you have used in the previous test. Like you have given your test on computer, so you should choose the computer only, not the pen and paper for retake exam. Again, I'm saying there will be no changes in the band descriptors, scoring patterns, and acceptance of IELTS worldwide. It will be remained same as it was in the previous years. IELTS scores continue to be valid for 2 years as like the previous structure, and it will be as it is accepted by the universities all around the world similarly. So there will be no changes in these things like a marking criteria, difficulty, or scoring patterns. So don't worry about these things. Just practice your IELTS on computer. So start that today only. Thank you. Thank you so much.